If you want to choose the right content angle for your next project, you'll need to master SERP analysis. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use SERP analysis to choose the perfect angle for your content. Stick around because by the end, you'll know exactly how to target your content to get better rankings and more traffic. Let's dive in. First, when you're starting out with SERP analysis, open Google and search for the main keyword or phrase that you're targeting. You'll immediately see a list of results. This is the SERP, or Search Engine Results page. The key here is not just looking at the top result, but analyzing the whole page. Pay attention to who's ranking and why. Now, the next step is to look at the types of content that appear in the search results. Are they blog posts, news articles, or videos? Notice the format. Are there snippets or direct answers at the top? Is it mostly long-form content, or do shorter pieces seem to be getting traction? Understanding the content format will help you decide which angle to take. Also, check out the featured snippets. These are great clues about what Google thinks is the most relevant answer to the searcher's query. If you see a featured snippet for your keyword, figure out what kind of content it's pulling from and how you can provide a unique angle on that same subject. Next, take a look at the search intent. What are people really looking for when they search this keyword? Are they looking for information, a product, or a solution to a problem? This is crucial for shaping your content angle. If searchers are looking for a guide, your angle might be more educational. If they're looking for a product review, your angle might be comparison-based or solution-driven. Understanding search intent is a big part of choosing the right content angle. Another thing to do is look for gaps in the SERP. Are there any unanswered questions or areas that haven't been fully covered by the current results? This is your opportunity to create content that fills that gap. It might be an underserved subtopic or a more detailed explanation. You'll definitely want to exploit these gaps to create something truly unique. And don't forget to look at the backlinks of the top ranking pages. If a certain piece of content is ranking well, it's likely getting backlinks from reputable sites. You can use this information to adjust your strategy and build similar or better quality links to your own content. Now, you might be wondering which tool is the best for conducting SERP analysis. I've tried all the popular options, and I'm recommending one that I find the most effective and easiest to use. Plus, I've secured an exclusive free trial for viewers of my channel. You'll find the link in the description below if you want to follow along. Here's the key takeaway. To choose the right content angle, you need to analyze the SERP for your target keyword thoroughly. Look at the content formats, search intent, gaps, and backlinks. This will help you understand how to differentiate your content and provide real value to your audience. To quickly recap, start by examining the SERP and understanding what content types rank. Look for featured snippets and figure out search intent. Find gaps in existing content and analyze backlinks to understand why top pages are performing well. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below if you want to follow along. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.